Music's music, right?
Knocking at your door, holy war, holy war.
Quiet.
It's just, what's with that music? The race of white?
I don't know. I can't understand lyrics anyway. Look, if you didn't like it, we won't go again, okay?
Guess I didn't exactly fit in with your friends.
You fit in with me. That's all I care about.
What are you doing?
Just getting ready for work. Why?
You're humming. Is that a new shirt?
I better get going. I don't want to be late.
You're wearing cologne? Great. Everybody's in love.
What?
It's like having two easy listening radio stations on at the same time.
Two?
Pop Icon is like the coolest show on TV. And if they like you here, you get to go to the citywide taped auditions. I'm so gonna go for it.
You know, the person that won last year was amazing. Now, I'm just saying, the competition is pretty fierce, so...
So don't get my hopes up.
Something like that.
Don't worry about it. I know how to rub shoulders with the rich and famous.
See you later.
All right. Hey, Zoe, get a load of this.
Yeah, people have been talking about it all week.
Guess I've been busy. What with me already being a star and all.
Are you thinking of auditioning?
Got a recording session this week. I gotta keep my focus with that.
You never told me.
Just a couple of tracks.
Guess you really are a star. Of your own world.
Tell your friends. Got lots to go around. Definitely a sweet song. Oh yeah, check out the website too, writers.com.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, but even ugly rock stars get beautiful girlfriends. Right? Do you know how powerful music can be? The right song, right moment, man. Oh, it gets girls into that erogenous zone.
Okay, first of all, it's erogenous. And besides that, these shows aren't about music. They're about ratings. You know, who cries, who gets humiliated, who sucks the most. All part of that TV package.
Yeah, well, as long as people like my package. Who cares?
Erogenous. All right, I bet you I could put on a stupid performance and I'd get through to the taped auditions.
Okay, do it then. Yeah, your stupidity versus my talent.
All right, well, may the best idiot win.
I thought I'd sign up too. See if I have what it takes.
Go for it.
I've given out almost 100 CDs already.
Good. Get the message out.
Can you believe all those people trying out for that Pop Icon thing?
It's a joke. The entire entertainment industry is run by blacks and Jews.
Hey, how's it going? Not bad. I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Have you heard this CD? Ashley's giving them out for free. You've heard the lyrics, right?
I'm not crazy about them.
Well, they're racist. I think we should do a story on this for Renegade.
Probably just some stunt by the band to get attention. You can do it. I'm not too into it.
Why? Because Ashley's Jennifer's friend? We're out of sync. It's like we don't even know how to talk to each other anymore. Maybe I should clear the air and tell him about Andrew. He's my best friend.
Yeah, but does he need to know everything?
Hey, Ashley.
How's it going?
Good. These CDs that you're handing out, you've heard the lyrics, right?
It's just music. No big deal.
Where did you get them?
My boyfriend.
I'm definitely doing the story on this for Renegade.
Why? Because Ashley and Jennifer are friends?
No, because it's hate music.
Hello, my baby. Hello, my darling. Hello, my ragtime gal. Send me a kiss by wire. Baby, my heart's on fire.
Sandy?
When the moon shines a beam on your heart and it seems that the stars are all dancing for you.
Lynn? Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. I'm just a little lazy. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. My hair and clothes just styling.
That last outfit will make great TV.
Carmen?
Hello, Carmen.
Waiting for a dream. The dreams only happen when you fall asleep. Waiting for a fame. But fame can't happen when you're half awake. And the bells up.
I just don't think Zoe should be attacking them.
She'll be fair. But you have to admit, the music's saying a little more than they let on.
She's doing this because Ashley and I are friends. Come on, you know ever since we started dating, she's been acting weird.
She's my friend. You're my girlfriend. She can handle that.
I don't want this to become a big deal. I just want everyone to get along, you know?
I won't let anything come between us.
Oh, hey. Where's Tonto?
Right behind you. I don't know where Jack is. We're dating, not joined at the hip.
Good. Then you can come to a barbecue we're having this weekend. I could use the help.
Yeah, no problem.
Be back in a sec.
What?
This thing, the barbecue. Jack can't come.
Why?
Steve and some of the organizers, they don't really want someone like Jack there.
Someone like Jack?
It's more fun if it's just for people like us. Hey, it's not Jack's scene anyway, right?
Yeah, in your face, Cherniak.
You too, huh?
Yes. Now, will you admit that this is as much about ratings as it is about music?
I knew it. I can't wait to blow the competition away.
Oh, well, looks like I'll be a part of that competition.
Great. How can an independent band afford to give away music? I mean, someone's behind this. I'm sure that Ashley knows more than she's letting on.
You could just do the story on the music and leave Ashley out of it.
Yeah, but she's the one who's handing it out. And people are actually listening to it and maybe even believing it.
I'm just saying it shouldn't get so personal, that's all.
Wow. Does Jennifer keep you on such a short leash?
You're right. Obviously, you're objective enough to keep things from getting personal. Did Steve and Ashley say anything about me?
When?
After the auto shop.
Not really. Did you talk to Zoe about her story?
Yeah, it'll be fine. She's cool.
Oh, great. Cooler than your girlfriend?
She's a friend. A good one. Hey.
Hey.
Want some help in the story?
Why?
I just thought I'd help a good friend.
Sure.
Look, Subvergence music is no different than black rap.
And how's that?
If you want to fight the power, you gotta get the power to fight.
So where do you guys get the CDs from then? So do you guys have any beer left from the other day?
Look, if you want to talk politics, go talk to the band. I ain't saying anymore.
Thanks, Russell.
Did you get an address?
I guess it pays to have low friends in high places. We can track it down tomorrow.
Okay.
How do you know if you're, like, getting serious with someone?
Your sister been talking to you?
No, just curious.
Oh. Well, you know, it makes you feel like you're smart and stupid at the same time. Does that help?
You're kidding, right?
Well, maybe if you were a little more specific in what you wanted to know.
Well, how do you know if you're changing from being friends to something more?
Anyone I know? Well, in my experience, friends and love aren't necessarily two different things. Hey, the center's hosting a small community powwow this weekend. I want you and Crystal to be there. It's important. Hey, Jack. Does color look good on me?
Makes you look smart. And stupid. Yeah.
How do you feel about your chances?
All we can do is go in there and try our best and hope the judges think we got talent. But whatever happens, we're just happy to have come this far.
How come you didn't dress up?
Because that's not how I want to win.
Well, what's that supposed to mean?
Nothing. I just want to sing.
I'm not trying to get rid of anybody. Just trying to protect and promote my own culture.
And what exactly is your culture?
I'm talking about the people who were here first.
People like me.
No, the people who built this country. I'm trying to stop the erosion of our values. And if people don't share those values, we'll send them back home.
I thought you said you weren't trying to get rid of anybody.
My music speaks for itself. This interview's over.
I got something off their website, an address for their record label. I think we should check it out. This thing is bigger than one local band. I'd come, but I got a recording session.
Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. I'm just a little lazy.
Stop. Shame on you.
Are you okay?
And any time now.
When? Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you refuse me, honey, you lose me, then I'll be left alone. Oh, baby, telephone and tell me I'm your own.
Completely pathetic.
Yeah, okay. What's pathetic is that I made it this far.
Yo. Wait. Sorry, I missed my cue.
Okay, from the top. But remember, play up the red card. Res is good.
I don't live on the res.
You know what I mean.
I thought you sounded great.
Not red enough for Russell. Too red for your friends. Hey, have you ever been to a powwow?
A powwow?
Yeah, there's one this weekend I'm supposed to go to. I think my dad wants to introduce me to his new girlfriend.
I think I may be supposed to do something with Ashley.
She can come too.
Well, it's this barbecue thing, and I already told her I'd go.
If there's any changes, I'd like you to come.
Hi, I changed my song.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieves. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed.
Have you decided about the powwow?
I told you, there's this thing with Ashley, and I have to help her with a barbecue.
Listen, Jen, we found out the band is getting money from a neo-Nazi group.
Neo-Nazi? Look, can't we just each be with our friends and be with each other? You know, just let it all be.
You still want to hang out with her?
We've been friends forever.
Look, I don't have to go to this stupid barbecue thing. I'll go to your powwow.
This isn't gonna work.
What?
Us.
Dad invited me, said I should come represent my community.
That would be the bland white band with no rhythm.
That'd be it. I thought Jennifer would be here.
Yeah, didn't work out.
Sorry.
I thought I would be too.
Hey guys, this is Joanne. She organized the powwow.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi.
Intertribal, everybody dance. Quackatus boys, take it away. Hookah!
Come on.
I don't know how to dance to this.
Come on, I'll show you.
Music can be a beautiful and powerful thing. It can move you. It can make you feel like nothing else matters. Like you're part of something that is much bigger than you. At its worst, music can drive people apart. But at its best, brings people together.